Okay, hi, welcome back, and today I am going to be, this person says their list is so long. It actually is. Okay, so, look up on YouTube, YouTube, look up, oh my goodness. Mellow for life. Okay. And sob to me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, stop this. Sub to me. Sob to me. Sob to shame. YouTube. Ignore whatever pops up. That's just dumb. Everything there that's just dumb. Don't even look. I don't like that. See? I only have 5 subscribers and I'm trying to get more. Come on. Oofda. Oh my god. Okay. Let me reload. Okay. I'm reloading now because this stupid game is lagging really bad. Right now it's lagging terribly. I'm trying to have a louder voice because, okay. I know there's 4 people on the game. I'm not done. Let's begin. But first, please sit down. Okay, because I like it when everything's in order. Okay, so, first, read my wall. Ignore the gift name part. Okay? I'm recording. Anyway. giveaway has not started. Wow, this was so you would sub to my chain first. Emote. They want that. But look up. For life. Okay. Emote is emoji. First person to do emoji that I do wins. There is many rounds. So, now members keep that I gift to members. Oh no. Don't want to do that, I just want to go over. Okay, go let it back. I did it. Oh. Thank you. Now, let's begin. 3, 2, people, this is so cool. 1, and let's do this. Okay. 1, and what emoji? I'm gonna think of a love. The first person to do it. Hey, it was Jin 1. 888 won this time. This round. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a rare or two. You should probably do non-member because I feel like it's rude. I don't know. I think I should do no. It should be like for grand prize sake. Okay. Dang. So I only have members. Oh yay, he gets 2 scarves. This is terrible. I am so mean. Well, not really, but I mean, I don't know. Next round. Three, 2, 1. And I'm gonna go ahead and do frowny face. Rainy. Okay. Let me check. It was meow meow 1. Meow meow 1. Okay, let's give her 2 cool rares. I think I'm gonna do awesome sparkly boa The most rare Stegosaurus. Let's go ahead. Next round. Three, two, one. And what should I do? What should I do? I feel like I can't do it because they're not members, and you know, members are not. Oh wait, it was Meow Meow again. It was Meow Meow. Okay. She wins. Okay. Put bad. Go ahead and put that on, please. And I have to end this video at 15 minutes, so I might not be able to get all of this in. I have good timing with things. Smiley face. Meow, meow. Is it meow? I don't know. Again. No, again. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this. Treat her. I'm actually going to gift that designer skirt to Remember right after this because I feel kind of bad about it. It's literally probably just me feeling bad. Okay, let's go ahead and do 3 rounds now. Okay, I'm gonna surprise her at the end, so I need to buddy her. If she doesn't win this, because she's the one who's doing it. I don't know why I'm saying this. Maybe it's because she's been losing. And I sort of feel bad. Okay. Next round. 3, 2, 1. And the emoji is ugh. It was Jin. Jin won again. I hate how the same people are winning. Because then it's like the other people who are here, they want to win too, and they are not winning. And so. Next round. Everyone that has won, please sit out. I want to give others a chance. I want to give others a chance. Okay, so if they have won, okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, are they over there now? I feel like sleepy. That's the way I feel, because I stayed till 2, so I have no clue who that was. Don't talk, don't talk. It was, Master. I hope she doesn't like scream, because, I don't know. I don't know if you'd scream over a black designer skirt. That is 100% up to you. And I'm going to go ahead. Okay, so I gotta go because it's been 14 whole minutes of just pure giving away. But let's first give something away to this kind young gentleman, and I'm gonna maybe end the giveaway. I don't know yet. Okay, let's go ahead and trade. I'm so confused. Okay, I was like, wait. That isn't rare, I can go buy that myself. I'm not